Hello, creative people! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through drawing and painting this beautiful watercolor tree, structured in a triangular shape. The big secret to getting nature painting right lies in geometry. The result looks amazing, and it is much simpler than you think. If you are new here, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss our weekly painting tutorials. All the materials and colors used are in the video description. Grab your supplies and let's start drawing. To begin, we are going to draw a geometric shape. I'll lightly sketch an upside-down triangle or a wine glass shape, whichever you prefer. This will be our frame. Starting from it, I'll draw the main trunk and distribute the primary branches that will support the canopy of the tree. Notice how breaking the drawing down into simple shapes completely takes away the fear of the blank page. With our structure ready, we can start adding the smaller, detailed branches. Use loose movements, making the branches thinner as they get closer to the edges of our triangle. It's this texture that will give depth to the watercolor later on. Now, I'm going to draw some leaves on the branches. This technique of seeing nature through simplified geometric shapes is one of the pillars I teach in my book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step. This book is a complete guide with practical visual diagrams for you to learn how to draw and paint trees, trunks, rocks, moss, and bushes without any mystery. The book is available on Amazon, and for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers, it is currently free, so go ahead and grab yours right now. If you want to have an art guide always at hand on your painting desk, the link is right here in the video description. Now, let's paint our trees step by step. I will sketch the basic shape of the tree just as a visual guide for the watercolor process. We are going to use only two colors, Payne's Gray and Phthalo Green. Mix a little bit of both pigments with plenty of water for a very diluted wash and paint the tree trunk. Add a bit more Payne's Gray to the mix, and using a thinner brush, apply this darker mixture to some areas of the trunk to create depth. Now, let's use a very diluted phthalo green to create our first layer of leaves. The little leaves are made using the tip of the brush. Place the tip of the brush on the paper, then press down and pull, letting the belly of the brush touch the paper. In addition to nature, watercolor, and drawing step by step, I've also written Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of a Sketch, a complete guide to drawing and painting beautiful florals. And my book, Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies Without the Use of Sketches, where you'll learn to paint delicious treats in simple and fun steps. The link to grab your copy is right below in the description. It's a beautiful way for us to stay connected and for you to support this channel. We can darken the initial mixture with Payne's Gray to make the tree's branches thinner. Let's use the green pigment again, making it a bit darker this time to paint the second layer of leaves. We'll darken the green tone just a bit more for the third layer of leaves, making sure to respect the highlights and shadows between the branches. Imagine that the light is coming from above, therefore the darkest leaves will probably be at the base and toward the center of the tree. If you feel it's necessary, go ahead and add a fourth layer of leaves. To complete the watercolor piece, let's create a base. For this, we'll use the same shade of green, spread it at the bottom, and use a plastic card to scrape up the texture for the grass. And now, the most awaited moment for any artist, removing the tape from the edges to see our clean, finished artwork. Look at how the triangular structure made the tree look elegant and beautifully balanced visually. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like to help the channel grow. Comment down below, what is your biggest challenge when it comes to painting trees? If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. I'll see you in the next video and see you soon.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.